In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your computer in just a few easy steps. Whether you're using Windows or Mac, this guide will help you download Chrome from the official website and get it installed safely and quickly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open any browser you already have installed on your computer. That could be Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, or even another browser you currently use. You do not need Chrome to get Chrome, so just use whatever browser is already available. Once your browser is open, go to the official Google Chrome website. Make sure you are on the real Google website so you can download it safely and avoid fake or harmful versions. After the Chrome page loads, look for the Download Chrome button. Click that button to begin the download process. Your browser will now start downloading the Chrome installer file to your computer. If you are on Windows, the file you download will usually be an exe file. If you are on a Mac, it will usually be a DMG file. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded file. On Windows, click the exe file to begin the installation. On Mac, open the DMG file and follow the instructions that appear on screen. After you click the file, Chrome will start installing automatically. In most cases, you do not need to do anything else besides wait for the setup to finish. The installer will handle the process for you, and in a short moment, Google Chrome will be ready to use. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Chrome and start browsing the web with your new browser. It's fast, simple, and one of the easiest apps to install on any computer. And that's it. You now know how to install Google Chrome from the official source. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful how-to video.